Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Garden. Back at it again. I just wanted to show you these miracle fruit trees. So you see this miracle fruit? And you know what miracle fruit is, right? Miracle fruit is, it's a berry that once you, actually put it in your mouth and just squish it around for about 20 to 30 seconds, and you eat something sour, lemon, pickle, or whatever, it makes it taste very sweet, like a fruit punch, okay? So mine seem to fruit between, I'll say, Mayish. Depending, it actually depends on the weather. But last year it was actually April, so I'll say from Mayish to about October, and mine's fruit over and over again. So I just wanted you to see. Look at all those fruits that's coming. I just want you to see that, and then I'm also going to take some more video of when the fruits actually turn red, because that's what they turn, nice bright red, and that's what lets you know it's ready. So this right here is the first one I had. Is a small one, and I gave it a nice trimming because it hasn't had a trimming before. Look at that right there. And it actually pollinates with the wind, or you can just come and shake it and it pollinates. I usually don't do nothing. I just get a lot of berries, truthfully, but I get wind back here, so that's probably what goes on here. So usually the one that comes out first is this one, then usually this one, and then this one. But this year, look at this one. So that one is really, really going. And then now it's going to be this one after, and then that little one. And I'm going to tell you, you get about 100 something berries even just out of this little one. So this little one has not grown since I had it. It's the first one we had, and I think I brought it in 2021. And obviously it's just a dwarf. I have potted it and whatever, and the rest of these have grown. So these are in 27-gallon pots right here. So yeah, so just wanted to bring you a little information about miracle berry. It's a miracle fruit, but it's like a berry, and you can go ahead and look that up, on and Google it. And birds don't actually come after these. So far since I've had them, I've never seen birds come and attack them. But I'm going ahead and put this there anyway, just in case. But I've never seen birds attack them. So if you don't pick the berries after they become bright red, they will eventually fall. And when they do fall, they wind up doing like this and putting a little tree down there. So yeah, that's about miracle berries, and we love them. I have 3 miracle berry fruit trees, and yeah. So I'm gonna continue to grow them, and I'll bring you back when they decide to turn red. I will bring you back. Have a blessed day.